All right, so let's get some gas for the mower, and I will give you a fun fact about my mower here in a few seconds. So a fun fact about this mower is, let me see, are you, no I'm not, sorry. Insert my credit card. I don't know, some of this I'll probably take out here in a few seconds. Alright, so let's fill this up. Hey, a fun fact about this Kawasaki EFI engine. It's I want to say this is a don't quote me, I'll probably put how many gallons this thing takes, but this one tank I think is like 8 gallons. I can do 21 to 22 lawns. That's as much as I've done with one full tank of gas. I'm sure I can do a little bit more, but I'm not chancing it. You know how that goes. I'm not chancing it, guys. And the last thing I want to do is run out of gas, just to prove a point, right? And look at that, 11 bucks. Nope, no receipt. So 11 bucks in regular gas, and I use the 87. I do not use anything other than 87 on my mowers, because that's what the engine manufacturer recommends. I used to use the marine gas and all that good stuff. Now when it comes to my handheld equipment, then I'll use the high grade, okay, the 93 and above, and of course my batteries, right? But yeah, okay, now we got some gas. Let's go make some money. So these are 3 that I have in a row. Not in a row because I have 2 houses in between. So this is one of those neighborhoods that I have a love-hate relationship with, because they're so tight. There's no room in between the houses. So it's and then it doesn't dry fast, you know, especially in between the houses. Oh my goodness. So yeah, and both of them are for sale now. So, well, one out of the 3. Yeah, pretty tight space. See that? Just half and half. And that's from the power washing. I guess too much bleach or whatever they use. Not bad, not bad. These 3 houses on average take about 45 minutes. And if I really, you know, take my sweet ass time, excuse my language, it'll be 50 minutes. There's no rush, guys. It's very humid today. Yep. All right, so we'll keep it moving. So I'm driving in here to my other few, and look at that, guys. It's coming, man. Oh my goodness, it is coming. But you know, I got four done already, so we're looking pretty good. And look at the time. 8:50. Not bad. Not bad. So, not complaining. Just, you know, gotta push it just a little bit faster. That's about it. But hey, look at that. Whoa. But it's a blessing, though. Not bad. Not complaining. Guys, we haven't had rain in a while. So, hey, if rain pushed me back, believe me, I am so freaking happy and grateful. Thank you. Man, I'm telling you, because, guys, it's been a while since we got rain, and you know, some of these people don't water their lawns and whatever, you know, it is what it is. But you know, the lawn were kind of dry, they were kind of iffy, so we're getting it. And what I love, guys, is that we are weekly now. So most of my properties are weekly, except about 10 to 12, no, 13, yeah, 10 to 13. So you know, if it rains and I can't get to them, no biggie. No big deal. There's always next week. Don't sweat it, man. Don't sweat it. We'll get it done. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Here's another one before the rains. And look at the skies. Yeah, it's gonna come down. But you have to get them done, man. Have to get them done. All right. So before we get caught up, let's keep it moving. And again, guys, I apologize for not showing you any mowing, but believe me, I show mowing all the doggone time, right? So you should be able to excuse me this time. All right. All right, guys. Here's another one, and it did rain just a little bit. Not too much though. And I'm bringing this up little by little, and they are working towards repairing the lawn, so it's looking pretty good. Like I said before, it rained, but you know, it didn't rain that hard, so I just kept pushing. That's one thing. When it's about to rain, I have to mow and then come back and edge it up, right? Yep. Looking good, looking good. And we are continuing. Hopefully I can get you some mowing, guys. But if not, hey, there's always tomorrow, right? The goal is to try to get these things done, and done to standards. I don't rush anything, guys. I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm not the type of guy that, because it's about to rain, I cut corners and just, you know, just to get the stuff done. Nah. Okay, let's keep it moving. Beautiful day, man. It's not even, well, it's humid. It's humid as heck, but it's not hot. Make sense? All right, see you in a few. All right, guys, so I guess the rain kind of subsided, so nice open clouds. Just finished this one right here, and we're gonna keep it moving. That thing was super wet and soggy. But we'll come back tomorrow and spray it with some T-Nex to minimize the growth.